The XTU J9 Plus video doorbell, which I have set up behind me here, is actually a great bit of kit, and what's great about this, it's more of a budget option, so it isn't going to break the bank. Now, XTU did send this to me in exchange for the video, but I am going to share some honest thoughts, including a couple of things I think could have been done better, but overall, as I say, I'm really impressed. Now, first and foremost, the J9 Plus does forego the traditional view that you would get with a video doorbell camera because it utilises a fisheye lens. Now, the advantage of this is it's going to be able to capture much more in the periphery. So, for example, you are going to be able to see when packages are being left, and, you know, if you actually miss the delivery, you can still access the live feed if you are out and see if there's any packages on the doorstep. Now, that isn't going to be easily as possible with other models that have a more traditional 16:9 view. Now, the video does record at up to 2K resolution, so you're getting some good quality there too. Now, if you're not a big fan of the fisheye circular view with all of that distortion, then you can actually stretch that out, still with a 1:1 aspect ratio, so you're getting a lot of periphery images. However, it won't be quite the same in terms of how much you're able to capture on screen, but it is still really impressive, and that's again if you don't like that additional distortion. Now, setting this thing up was an absolute breeze. It was just a case of getting it charged up, and then with my phone, downloading the MoreCam app and scanning the code that's on the doorbell, and that just guided me through the process. Took about 5 minutes. Now, what I would recommend is making sure this is charged to full before you use it for the first time. But with a 5,200 milliamp hour battery, it is going to last a decent bit of time. The app itself is also really powerful, allowing you to set up motion zones. So, for example, depending on what the camera is picking up in the peripheries, you don't want to be getting notified anytime, for example, a pedestrian walks past. You can actually set up the zone so that that doesn't happen. And there is full two-way audio here as well. So you can ask the postman to leave the package on the doorstep, and he can respond to you as well. And you can just have that conversation through the MoreCam app on your phone. And what I also like here is that you do not need to pay any additional fees once you bought the doorbell itself. And that's because you can install an SD card, 32 gigabytes to 128 gigabytes, and have everything stored locally. Or you can even use cloud storage for free and have 6-second clips saved anytime an event has been detected. Now, some other neat features here include the fact that, yes, it does include night vision. So if you're getting any late deliveries, then you can absolutely use the doorbell in exactly the same way. And seeing as how this is an outside bit of tech, it's important that it's waterproof, and this absolutely is. It is IP66 rated. And a nice little thing here is that XTU did include this optional chime in the package, which you can set up. Now, you don't need this, it's not absolutely required. Okay, you're still going to get notifications to your app whenever there's a doorbell event, and the doorbell itself does have a chime built into it. Though it's not particularly loud, then I can definitely see where the chime is going to come in handy. But it does bring up just a couple of points I would have liked to have seen done better, perhaps. First off, the chime does require 3 batteries that are not included. So if you want to use this, you're going to have to purchase those separately. And the other thing as well is that the doorbell does not include any angling wedges in the box. This is a little bit unfortunate. You can purchase them separately, but with the actual kit as it is, the doorbell can only face forwards. So if you do need that angle, you will have to spend a little bit more money on getting that accessory. But overall, I think for the really budget price point that XTU are offering this at, I definitely think the positives outweigh those couple of niggles that I had. And I think this is a fantastic option. The J9 Plus from XTU, great video doorbell. I'm really happy with it, and I hope you will be too.